Google Business Profile is one of the most powerful tools available for businesses looking to enhance their online presence, attract more customers, and build credibility in 2025. Understanding its advantages can help you maximize its potential and stay ahead in local search results. In this video, we'll explore the key advantages of Google Business Profile and why it's an essential tool for any business. One of the main advantages is improved local visibility. Google Business Profile allows your business to appear on Google Search and Maps when customers are searching for products or services near them. This is especially valuable for local businesses because it makes it easier for potential customers to find your store, office, or service area, increasing the likelihood of calls, visits, and inquiries. Another significant advantage is enhanced credibility and trust. A well-maintained profile with accurate information, high-quality photos, and positive customer reviews signals to potential clients that your business is professional and reliable. Reviews are particularly influential as they not only help new customers feel confident in choosing your business, but also contribute to higher search rankings. Google Business Profile also provides direct engagement with customers. Through features like messaging, posts, and the Q&A section, businesses can interact with clients in real time, share updates or promotions, and answer questions. This level of engagement strengthens relationships with current clients and helps attract new ones, creating a more personalized experience that sets your business apart from competitors. Another key advantage is access to valuable insights and analytics. Google Business Profile tracks how customers find your listing, what actions they take, and which elements of your profile are performing well. By analyzing this data, you can make informed decisions about marketing strategies, content updates, and customer engagement, ultimately improving your business's effectiveness online. Finally, Google Business Profile is free and easy to use, making it accessible to businesses of all sizes, from small local shops to large companies and freelancers. You can quickly create and manage your profile without investing in expensive tools or platforms, while still benefiting from features like appointment bookings, service listings, and regular updates. By taking advantage of these benefits, local visibility, credibility, customer engagement, insights, and cost effectiveness, you can position your business for growth, attract more customers, and stand out in a competitive market. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and business tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Start leveraging the advantages of Google Business Profile today and watch your business grow online.